Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of JustMarkets Copy Trading. What it is, how it works, its key features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and most importantly, whether it truly deserves to be called one of the best copy trading platforms in 2025. If you've ever wanted to earn from trading without doing the hard work yourself, or you're an experienced trader looking to monetize your skills, this review will tell you everything you need to know. First off, what exactly is JustMarkets Copy Trading? It's a social trading feature built directly into JustMarkets broker platform that allows users, also known as investors, to automatically copy the trades of professional traders, also known as signal providers. Here's how it works. You register with JustMarkets, fund your investor wallets, and then browse through a leaderboard of experienced traders. This leaderboard displays each trader's performance metrics, risk scores, number of followers, profit share percentage, and overall history. Once you find a trader that matches your style and risk appetite, you can start copying their trades automatically. Every time they open or close a trade, your account does the same in real time. The beauty of this system is the flexibility. You can adjust how much to invest, you can change the trade volume multiplier, or stop copying altogether at any time. It's fully automated, yet you're always in control. And it's not just for followers. Skilled traders can also sign up as signal providers. That means if you're a good trader with a consistent record, you can let others copy your trades and earn commissions based on their profits. Now, let us talk about the main features of JustMarkets Copy Trading. There are two main types of accounts. There's the standard account and there's the professional account. The standard account requires a minimum deposit of just $10, and the professional account is more advanced, a minimum of $200 deposit. Both accounts support MetaTrader 4 and they leverage up to 1:3000. Here on the website is a clear breakdown of the difference between the standard account and the professional account, and the minimum deposit that is required, and other pricing details. The trader leaderboard and selection tools. This is where the copy trading gets interesting. There's a leaderboard that lists hundreds of traders. Here's a sample on screen. Each of the traders are listed with full statistics, from total returns and risk scores to the number of active investors. Each trader also sets their profit sharing percentage, which determines how much of your profits they will receive as commission. Copying, scaling, and customization. Once you pick a trader, you can decide how aggressively to copy them. You can choose a copy multiplier or a custom value. If you want to be conservative, set it lower. And if you're confident in your chosen trader, you can scale it higher. You can also add support funds, which can act as a safety buffer during market volatility. How about the execution speed? One of the JustMarkets' biggest strengths is the execution speed. When your chosen trader opens a position, your account mirrors that trade almost instantly, typically within a second. That speed is crucial because even small delays can cause different entry prices and affect profitability. No platform fee. Another great aspect is that JustMarkets doesn't charge a separate platform or service fee for copy trading. The only cost is the profit commission that goes to the trader that you follow. You still pay normal trading costs like spreads and swaps, but there's no hidden copy trading subscription fee that eats into your returns. So it's still trading, just that it's more automated. JustMarkets also supports MetaTrader 4 and 5, and there's also a dedicated mobile app for copy trading that is available on both Android and iOS. This app lets you browse traders, invest, track performance, and stop copying, all from your phone. So, what about the pricing? As earlier mentioned, the minimum deposit is $10 for a standard account and $200 for professional accounts. Other fees might apply, like potential swap fees for overnight trades, possible inactivity fees if your account stays idle for a long time. So, what are the pros and cons of using the JustMarkets Copy Trading? First, the pros. It's a fully integrated platform. There's no need for third-party plugins or external services. There's no extra platform fee. You only pay the trader's profit commission. And there's a low entry point, just $10 to start on a standard account. There's also a mobile app access, which helps you manage your copy trading on the go. How about the cons? Limited transparency on performance auditing. There's also a risk of copying poor strategies, and high leverage can amplify losses, so use it cautiously. Now, to wrap things up, is JustMarkets Copy Trading one of the best platforms to use in 2025? Honestly, it's a strong contender. And here's why. The combination of low entry requirements, no platform fee, and integrated technology makes it extremely beginner friendly. You can test the waters with just $10 and scale gradually as you gain confidence. It's designed for convenience, from fast trade mirroring to flexible scaling and full mobile support. So in 2025, it's fair to call it a high potential but caution required platform. Great for those who start small, test wisely, and learn as they go. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore eToro, Zulu Trade, and FXTM Invest. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.